How to get home button on your Android device. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily get a home button on your phone. So let's just jump right in. As you can see here on my screen, I don't have any buttons to navigate through my apps. So let's see how you can add the buttons. The very first thing you're gonna have to do is open up your settings menu. And once you land on the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find display settings. It might be a bit different depending on the device you have. I'm currently using a Samsung phone, so it's right here. If I scroll down, I have an option called navigation bar. I can just tap on it. And as you can see, I have currently turned on the swipe gestures. So what happens is if I go to my home app, I can just go from the middle, and if I want to go back, I can swipe from the side, so there are no active buttons. To get the buttons, you're gonna have to choose the buttons type on your navigation, and you'll get different kind of buttons right here. Now you are also able to change the order of the button where you want it to be. You can switch the back and the recent apps button. And once you have done that, you should be able to get the home button on your Android phone. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.